morning to Ms. Shazwani and my fellow friends. Hi guys, my name is Vilindran Marimutu and I am from DKM 1B. My registration number is 01DKM20F2011. Hi guys, good morning to Ms. Shazwani and my fellow friends. My name is Vilindran, son of Marimutu, and I am from DKM 1B. My registration number is 01DKM20F2057.
Good morning to Ms. Shazwani and my fellow friends. My name is Logachelvan Analalaki Maran from DKM 1B. My registration number is 01DKM20F2054.
Hi everyone, my name is Sharvin, son of Ravindran. My registration number is 01DKM20F2053. I am from DKM 1B.
Today, me and my friends would like to present about Chapter 4, Work, Energy and Power.
Today, me and my friends would like to present about our science project. Our science project title is Wind Turbine.
Stay tuned. Okay guys, today I want to present about work. The work done, W, is defined as the product of the force and the distance moved in the direction of the force. The unit of Newton meter is Nm and the joule is J. Work is done when a force causes an object to move in the direction of the force. Work is a scalar quantity. There is a formula for the equation of work. That is W equals to F times S times cos theta. F is force, S is displacement, and theta is angle between force and the direction of motion. 1 joule is the work done when a force of 1 Newton moves an object for 1 meter in the direction of the force done. For example of work is a weightlifter lifts a barbell above her head. There is a force applied to the barbell and the force causes a displacement of the barbell.
Next, I will explain about our group project. This is our title, Wind Turbine Mini Project. First is the group project descriptions. A wind turbine is a rotation machine which converts the kinetic energy in wind into mechanical energy. If the mechanical energy is then converted to electricity, the machine is called wind generator. Wind turbine, wind power unit WPU, wind energy converter WEC or aero generator. Horizontal axis winds turbines HAWT have the main rotor shaft and electrical generator at the top of the power and must be pointed into the wind. Since the tower produces turbulences behind it, the turbine is usually pointed upwind of the tower. Turbine blades are made of steel or prevented the blades from being pushed into the tower by high winds. Secondly is objective. The objective is wind turbines harness the power of the wind and use it to generate electricity. Simply stated, wind turbine work the opposite of a fan. Instead of using electricity to make wind like a fan, wind turbines are used to make electricity. The winds turn the blades, which in turn spins a generator to create electricity. Besides that, the production of wind energy reduces reliance on fossil fuels and consequently reduces fossil-driven carbon dioxide emissions. But a given carbon dioxide reductions is more effective in mitigating global warming if made clearer than later. Furthermore, wind turbines are designed for optimist operation for a given set of environmental conditions. Good aerodynamic science of turbine blades increase the power extracted from the wind stream and thus memorize the efficiency while optimizing the cool of wind energy conversions. Lastly, Wind energy is a form of energy which is pollution-free and eco-friendly. It acts as a great way to supply electricity in rural areas. It does not release any harmful emissions or pollution at the atmosphere. Thirdly, I will explain about our diagram. This is our diagram of mini project. This is rotor blade, wind from gear, gearbox, nacelle, power cables, tower, transformer, and switchyard. Switchyard. The transformer works as a give to power cables. To and only the rotor blade rotates from it and comes wind from that. That's only the diagram. And fourthly, material and cost. We use many material and become costly to doing our mini project. Firstly is wrapping paper wood 2 Rm 5 ringgit and DC motor 6 ringgit, and we buy LED bulb 1 to 20 cents, and the cardboard is a recycle item, ice cream stick is recycle item, manila card recycle item, and plastic tin recycle item to do our mini project. Number 5, result and discussion. The result and discussion of our mini project is wind turbine. The wind turbine, potential energy. To potential energy to kinetic energy. The water in the dam creates an huge potential energy. To kinetic and mechanical energy is high pressure of water flows into water empirical. To mechanic and electricity energy is the high pressure of water flow turn into the turbine and the generator produces the electricity. Finally, the impact. The impact of our project wind turbine is the hydroelectricity is much safer. There is no fuel use in the process. Second, hydropower is one of the most efficient energy or coal power. Thirdly, cheaper source of energy involve environmental impacts. And the wind turbine consider a renewable energy source of energy. Wind turbine mini project is a good topic that we take. That's only. Thank you.
Hi everyone. Here I am going to tell about materials that we used and explanation for our wind turbine project. First of all, materials that we used: wrapping paper wood, DC motor, mini LED light, cardboard, ice cream sticks, and manila cut, and an empty can. Now I am going to explain how our wind turbine works. Our wind turbine project is based on principle of turbine generator. Let me explain. In DC motor, we have some copper windings between two magnets. If we can rotate those copper windings between those two magnets, it can produce some electricity. So that electricity can be transferred to LED light. That is the reason why our project's LED light blinks without any battery. Here I use a permanent magnet DC motor, so it can be used as a DC generator. The configuration of DC motor is 12 volt 3400 rpm and the LED light is 3 volt. To make the fan, which is fixed with the DC motor shaft, to rotate, we have to blow it with some external wind source. For this I use a table fan, but it is not shown in the video. That's all for the explanation. Thank you.